Hello friends, welcome to Catalyst Chemistry YouTube channel. As we discussed last class some of the examples. Okay, I told you 3 examples for what that is a homework. Just here I am going to tell you right now what is the answer for what given examples. Okay, just here one example is there. The example here CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Okay, you have to start from numbering here or here, no problem. This is a 1, 2, this is a 3, 4, this one is what 5. Totally how many carbons are there? 5. What is the name of this one? Pentane. Case closed. Very simple example. Okay, what is the name of this one? Pentane. Okay, very simple. Next, just here in this case what 1, 2 here is there. Okay, here one carbon is there. Now after that what 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to start from here 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, this one is 4. Don't start from here. Why? Tell me. Because this is going to get a third position. The substituent is going to get a third position, means according to Locant rule is going to what? Fail. That is why you have to start from here 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally how many carbons are there? 4 carbon. 2-methyl butane. What is the name of this one? 2-methyl. You have to write hyphen. Okay, 2-methyl. How many carbons are there? 4 carbon. 2-methyl butane is the IUPAC nomenclature. Next one, this is just here your duty, you have to count number of carbon atoms. Okay, I am going to start from here 1, this is a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Totally how many carbons are there? 13 carbon. 10 means what? Decane. 13 means what? Tridecane. Okay, that is why in this case better you have to use the word important cyclo, because of cyclic is there, no, that is why the starting word is what? Cyclo tridecane. Cyclo tridecane, this is the what? IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, you know this is pentane, 2-methyl butane is there, this is a look like a what? Cyclic is there, no, this branch is a what? Cyclic. Cyclo tridecane is the what? IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, up to this what some of the examples are what completed. If you want you can refer NCERT book. In that case you are going to get n number of what? Examples. Okay, next today in this class we are going to discuss about what the next IUPAC nomenclature of what? Some of the aromatic compound. Aromatic compound means you know very well about that benzene ring. Automatically if aromatic means what? Benzene ring will come in a mind. It can follow the Huckel's rule 4n plus 2 5 so on so on. Okay, that is why in this case we are going to study about what IUPAC nomenclature of some of the aromatic compound. This is our heading, IUPAC names of what? Aromatic compounds containing a benzene ring. Okay, here is there, here one example is there. This is a what? Benzene attached with what? Chlorine. What is the IUPAC name of this one? Means what? Chlorobenzene. Okay, IUPAC name is what? Very simple, chloro. You have to write chloro, don't write a chlorine. When chlorine attached with a benzene ring, it is a indicate what? Chloro. That is the name end with what? O, chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene is a IUPAC nomenclature. Now tell me, NO2 is there. What is the name of NO2? Nitro. That is why in this case nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene, ENE. Okay. Next after that here NO2 is there, here NO is there. NO means nitroso. Bear in mind, NO means what? Nitroso. Nitrosobenzene. Nitrosobenzene. Okay. Chlorobenzene, nitrobenzene, nitroso. Then bear in mind. Okay. This one is indicate what? Nitroso. Okay. N. Next after that this is first category example, this is what? Second category example. In this case what? All the benzene ring having a only one substituent group is there. What? Only one group is there. Okay, that is in this case Cl, here Cl. This benzene ring is going to get a 2 substituent group. Okay, I am going to start from here. This is a 1, this is a 2. If you want you can write 1, this is a 2, no problem. What is the IUPAC nomenclature of this one? 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. ENE, 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. Just here ortho, what is the meaning of ortho, what is the meaning of meta, what is the meaning of para. Okay, now I am going to tell you that point. Okay, just I am going to remove this one. artho, para, meta. Okay, that is indicate what? Common name. If you are going to write a numbering 1 and 2, 3, 4, okay, that is 2, 5, that is indicate what? IPSC nomenclature. I am going to take a same example. Here is there, no? I am going to take a same. First, I will clear you what is the meaning of artho and what is the meaning of para, meta. Don't worry about. In this case what I wrote, this is a look like a what? 0 is there, no? This is indicate what? That is a resonance structure like that. Okay. In this case what I wrote, bond, both are same. Okay, don't worry. One more point is there about a benzene. That point we will discuss. Why they are going to write like this means we will discuss in hydrocarbons. Okay. Just here in this case, this point, if I am going to consider this is the what? Major group. If I am going to consider this is a major group, if you want you can consider any one of these. I am going to consider this one is act as a what? A major group means this position is act as a ipso. Bear in mind IPSO, ipso. This word is not there in NCERT, this word is there in what? Higher study. Okay, but bear in mind this is indicate a ipso. Okay, this carbon is act as a ipso. The next carbon is what? Artho. That short form we are going to write a O. What is the meaning of O? This is a arrow mark, artho. Okay, clear. Next position is there, that is indicate what? Meta. That one is what? Meta. Okay, all these name will come under a common name. Okay. Next after that here is there, this one is indicate what? Para. Ipso opposite is always para. Ipso opposite is always what? Para. Okay. If you are going to consider this is act as a ipso, this is act as a what? Para. This is ipso means this is artho, this is meta, this is para. Para means always opposite of what? Ipso. Bear in mind. Okay. This is a what? Common name. What is the common name of this one? Arthochloro. Arthochloro. What you are going to? Arthochlorobenzene. Is it right? Is it right or wrong? This one is what? Wrong. If what you have wrote 1, 2 dichlorobenzene, you have wrote what? IPSC nomenclature. If you want this is a common name arthochlorobenzene. Okay. Otherwise you have to write arthodichlorobenzene. That is also right. Arthodichlorobenzene. Okay. That is indicate what? Common name of what? This one. Here meta is there, meta-dichlorobenzene. What is a common name for this one? Meta-dichlorobenzene. Meta-dichloro means what? In meta position one chlorine atom is there, another one is what? Ipso atom is there. That is what understood. What about this one? Para-dichlorobenzene. Arthodichlorobenzene, meta-dichlorobenzene, para-dichlorobenzene. Just here 1, 2. Here is what? Position 1, this is the 2. In this case I am going to consider this is a ipso. Now tell me, ipso after that what? Artho. After that what? Meta. The meta position is having a Cl. That is why in this case what? Meta-chlorobenzene means what? Meta-chlorobenzene you are going to call. Meta-dichlorobenzene is what? Right. What is the IPSC nomenclature? This is act as a 1. This is a 2. Next this is a what? 3. Now tell me 1, 3 dichlorobenzene. Okay. What is the IPSC name? 1, 3 dichlorobenzene. Okay. 1, 3 dichlorobenzene. Next after that, this is I am going to consider ipso. Next one is what? Artho. Next one is what? Meta. The next one is what? Para. The para is completely opposite of what? Ipso. That is why in this case this is numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In this case what? 1, 4 dichlorobenzene. What is the name of this one? 1, 4. I am going to write here 1, 4 dichlorobenzene. Okay. You have to write ENA, dichlorobenzene. Okay. Right. 1, 4 dichlorobenzene. Next, what is the common name of this one? Para-dichlorobenzene. Para-dichlorobenzene is a common name. Okay. This is what IPSC nomenclature. Okay. Next one is, this is what important. In this case what happen, if the ring contains more than 3 substituent or minimum 3 substituent are there or more than 3 substituent are there, compulsory how to start the or write the carbon atom named as the what? Minimum locant rule. In this case also you have to follow the minimum locant rule. After that, if you are going to 3 substituent groups are there, compulsory you have to write alphabetical order, that is what mandatory. Next, in this case bear in mind, in this case compulsory we are going to maintain what locants minimum, here minimum is there, what sum of the locants is a minimum, okay, no problem. Next, in this case what some of the examples are there, I am going to remove this one, okay, here is there, okay, this is what first example. How many substituent groups are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 substituent groups are there. Now tell me what is the IUPAC nomenclature of what? This one. I am going to take a, this is what act as a ipso, this is ortho, this is what meta is there. This is a 1, this is a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, totally benzene is having about 6 carbon. If you are going to start from here only, but rotating like this, okay, 1, 2, 3, that is also what same, because of these 3 substituent groups are present in a what similar location, means what the distance must be same, okay. That is why what is the name of this one? 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5 trichlorobenzene. I am going to write here naming 1, 3, 5 trichlorobenzene, okay. Trichlorobenzene is the IUPAC nomenclature. Next, okay, in this case what chlorine is there, there is no problem, don't maintain the what alphabetical order, no problem. This is what most important example, just here in this case 3 substituent groups are there. 3 substituent groups are there means compulsory you have to maintain locant rule, okay, means what the sum of the substituent group is going to get a minimum number. Just here in this case no problem, okay. In this case if you are going to add what 5 plus 3 is what 8 plus 1 9 totally, okay, totally what 8 is there, sum of the locant rule here is there. Just here I am going to start from here, okay, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. In this case we are going to get a what highest. First I will tell you correct IUPAC nomenclature, after that I will write one more time and I will tell you, okay. In this case I am going to start from here, okay, don't start from here, because of you have to start from here means this is must and should what 2, here is 1, next this is a what 2, next this is a what 3, this is a 4 5 6, okay. If you are going to start like this means the sum of the locant rule is going to fail. Now you have to add locant rule, 2 plus 1 3, 3, next one is what here 4 is there, no, 4 plus 2 is what 6 is there, this one is what 7, totally sum of the locant rule you have to add 4 plus 2 plus 1, totally what 7. This is what sum of the locant number is what 7 is there, okay. Now what is the IUPAC nomenclature you have to write, here is there, just here in this case bromo is there, in this case chloro is there, according to alphabetical order which one will come first? Obviously bromo, okay. That is why in this case what is the position? 2 bromo, you have to write 2 bromo 1 chloro is there, no, 2 bromo 1 chloro, you have to write 1 chloro 4 methyl benzene, 4 methyl benzene. Otherwise you have to write 2 bromo 1 chloro toluene, that is also what right, but this is according to NCERT 2 bromo 1 chloro 4 methyl benzene, okay. This is what correct. If I am going to take same this example only, I am going to write here, okay, I will clarify, this is what Br is there, next this is what Cl is there, okay. If one student is going to start from here, this is a 1, next he is going to write this is a 2, this one is what 3, this is a 4, this is a 5, this is a 6. Now you have to add some of the locant, here 1 is there, I am going to write 1, here 4 is there, I am going to write 4, next here 6 is there, I am going to write 6. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 is the highest number, but in this case 7 is there, no, 7 is what lowest sum rule is there, but in this case what the number is going to high, other, okay, 1, this is what numbering is wrong. If one student is going to start from here by chance, just here I am going to remove the numbers, okay. One student is going to start from here 1, next he is going to write here 2, next in this case what 3, here is 4 5, next this is what 6. Now you have to calculate what is the sum of the number, okay, you have to check, okay. Here 1 is there, 1 plus 2, next after that what 5, 5 6, 7, in this case what 8, this is what highest number, this is also what wrong, not possible. Okay, if you are going to start from here, that is also what wrong, you have to check. Okay, this is most important, compulsory we have to maintain lowest sum rule, okay, minimum number. The substituent is going to get a minimum, then minimum number, that is what compulsory. Next, after that we have to maintain alphabetical order. Okay, next here one example is there, 1, 2, 3 examples are there. Okay, in this case what here if you want to start from here or here, no problem. Okay, I am going to start from here, 1, this is a 2, this is a what 3 is there, 2 bromo, 1 chloro, 3 iodo benzene. You have to write 2 bromo, next one is what 1 chloro is there, after that what 3 iodo benzene, 3 iodo benzene, this is the what IUPAC nomenclature. Next here is there 1, 2, 3, 4 nitro, after that what this totally what you are going to call aniline, in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, this is what of preference 1. Okay, that is why in this case 4 nitro is there, 4 nitro aniline, this is the name. Next, now see here, in this case this is the last example, this is what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because in this case 2 plus 3 is what, 2 plus 1 is 3. Next, after that what in this case 4 is there, we are going to get a what 8, that is called what, we are going to get a 7. Okay, 7 means in this case that is indicate what sum of the locant rule is what less, minimum. Okay, that is why in this case this is the best. Just here now I am going to write what is IUPAC nomenclature of this one. Ethyl is there, E will come first, 4 ethyl, after that here 1 is there, no, P will come, F will come first, that is called 1 fluoro, 4 ethyl, 1 fluoro, 2 nitro benzene. Okay, this is the what IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, up to this indicate what some of the examples of what IUPAC nomenclature about what aromatic compounds. Okay, next point is there, that is what isomerism, that point we will discuss next class. Thank you. Subscribe and promote the channel. Okay.